In fact, he got his PPL before he got his driving license, and he got his CPL at just 20 years of age.
Meanwhile, a quick parish notice. The Meet the Pilots tent has the wonderful World War I team sitting in there at the moment. So if you'd like to go and meet them, including the wonderful Dev Gregory, who's a good chap, go and see them.
Well done, mate.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, in the overhead, here's Guy inverted, running down the runway. So let's watch and see what he does next. I think he's got another trick up his sleeve. We'll just have a little look here. It's going to be something unusual. And a rollout. This is all about energy management, of course. With a glider, you have to arrive in the right position, at the right height, at the right speed. You haven't got a throttle that you can open, and as you get closer and closer to the ground, that is where the skill comes in. And so here's the glider, ladies and gentlemen. Guy coming into land and John Gowdy landing behind him.